Some of these have melodious, smooth, and classically trained vocals, while some have given us raw, gritty, soulful sound that one can only be gifted with since birth. Welcome to San Pasta, and today we'll be counting down the top 10 best male singers of the previous 2 decades. 1998 से पहले के singers को include ना करके, the list would only concentrate on those singers who have been actively performing or recording precisely in the last 20 years. So here is the list. At number 10 is Udit Narayan. Udit Narayan ventured into the playback singing scene back in the 80s, and the power and resonance in his voice has lasted for nearly 3 decades. However, the singer has recorded many hits in the 2000s as well, which include songs like Ye Tara Wo Tara from Swades, Main Yahan Hoon from Veer Zara, and Radha Kaise Na Jale, to name a few. Papon. Born in Assam, Papon, aka Angarag Mehta, was primarily trained from his parents who themselves were Assamese folk singers. Starting from his advent to Bollywood in the early 2000s, Papon, in his unique, deep voice, has recorded songs like Ye Mo Mo Ke Dhage, Humnava, Bulea, to name a few. Atif Aslam. One of the most popular singing stars to come from Pakistan, who has managed to establish a big name for himself in the Indian music scene. Atif has been recording for Bollywood since the early 2000s and is known for his high vocal belting abilities and his unique tone. His most famous songs include Tere Bin, Tera Hone Laga Hoon, Dil Diya Galla, and many others. Arijit Singh. Perhaps the biggest playback star of today alongside Shreya Ghoshal, Arijit has gained extreme popularity with his soulful romantic tunes that have struck a chord with Indian music lovers. From his first major hits Tum Hi Ho, Arijit has given many popular tunes like Ae Dil-e Mushkil, Muskurane, to name a few. Shaan. Starting up from the 1990s, Shaan has lasted in the minds of music lovers of more than one generation. The singer, with his flawlessly trained, controlled, and versatile voice, has received numerous awards for his work, which includes hits like Chand Sifarish, Main Hu Dawn, and his pop solo hit Tanha Dil. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Another Pakistan singer making to our list is the versatile and highly skilled vocalist Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Nephew of the legendary Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Rahat is known for his incredible belting abilities in the upper range and his soulful tone, which has given him a number of crossover hits. Some of his most popular tunes include songs like Naina, Jiya Dhadak Dhadak, Lagi Tumse Man Ki Lagan, to name a few. Shankar Mahadevan. Trained in Hindustani classical, Shankar Mahadevan's versatile voice and powerful range, and especially his work as part of the award-winning trio Shankar Ehsaan Loy, have turned him into one of the most celebrated vocalists of the generation. His biggest hits include songs like Sapno Se Bhare Naina, Mitwa, and Kajrare. KK. Krishna Kumar Kunnath, also known as KK, has been blessed with a broad range and a vocal control that few Bollywood playback singers possess. The Delhi-born singer has cited Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman as his biggest influences. Some of his biggest and most memorable hits include his pop solo hits like Yaro and Pal, and also his playback work in songs like Tu Hi Meri Shab Hai, Tadap Tadap, aur Tu Jo Mila, to name a few. Kailash Kher. One of the most soulful and powerful voices of the generation, Kailash Kher and his amalgamation of Sufi and folk styles of singing put him in a category of his own. Kailash also fronts his fusion band Kailasa, which gave him immense popularity with songs like Teri Diwani and Saiyan. Some of his biggest Bollywood hits include Jai Jai Kara, Ya Rabba, Allah Ke Bande, and Yu Hi Chala Chal, to name a few. Before we reveal our number 1, here are a few honorable mentions. At number 1 is the very versatile Sonu Nigam. Known for his highly skilled, soothing and versatile vocals, Sonu has often been called Modern Rafi for his layered vocal performances, putting him in the list of one of the most respected singers in Hindi film music. From his solo pop albums to his work in Bollywood soundtracks, Sonu has recorded hundreds of songs, which includes hits like Kal Ho Na Ho, Deewana Tera, Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, and Suraj Hua Madhyam, to name a few. So what did you think of our top 10? Which singers would top your personal list? Share with us below and subscribe to San Pasta for more.